All right, guys, we've arrived here at Lake Como. Check this out. Roof CTR3 in holy shit. Yes. Dude, that color. Oh, and we got the police. Now, we just transitioned from fuckboys in Beverly Hills. Well, there were no fuckboys, but a lot of police presence, to Villa d'Este. So quite the transition here, guys. We're in quite the interesting situation. So we needed a rental car for yesterday. So we got the 1 Series BMW at the airport. We're currently at the BMW Milano. We just picked up an X3 diesel. So we'll be exchanging cars relatively soon there. And there it goes. And we gotta return this back at the airport and then make our way back to Lake Como. So yeah, we kind of messed up, guys. I'm sorry. We just dropped off the 1 Series diesel BMW in exchange for another BMW. God damn it, Ken. This is courtesy of BMW Milano. We got the X3 X-Drive 20 diesel here with an M badge nonetheless. Oh yeah. Courtesy of Ken Saida for hooking it up. We're gonna go back to Villa d'Este. Here we go. Okie dokie. Oh. You got everything, right? I think we got everything, yeah, we're ready to roll. Dude, check out this camera system. We got a 360 camera and a front camera. Oh, it's got hand gestures as well. What the fuck? Rear camera, side camera. Dude, Jaguar, step up your game. The brand new Rolls Royce SUV rolling through here. We're currently at Villa d'Este, calm before the storm. So we go from fuck boys to classy cars here at the Villa d'Este show 2018. So brand new SUV all wrapped up. I think I'll probably unveil it tomorrow. And we got a race car, a Barth right here as well. Speak of the devil. We're at the main valet here. The glare is pretty bad. We get the Mira SV right over there. Let me polarize that. Nice. Not really sure what that is. Looks like a total Monaco-esque car. Old school Aston Martin Vantage Zagato. Look at the plate. ZG. I like that. This is a... yeah, I'm not going to attempt to pronounce that, but pretty sick. Look at the seats. The wood trim here. Of course, the Mira SV. Roof CTR3 right here. In green nonetheless. Ooh, the carbon fiber on the wing. Yes. And the wheels too. Check that out. We're in the underground garage right next to the hotel. We got a couple of cars that are going to be showcased at the Villa d'Este show. Check this out. No idea what this is, but I guess we'll have a closer look at that tomorrow. We got the one-off Ferrari right over here under the cover. And a couple race cars right over here. Check that out. I know nothing about that, but the world debut of the SP38 tomorrow. Quick sneak peek of tomorrow's Villa d'Este show, the creme de la creme, the best of the best. And we got a 250 Ferrari short wheelbase on Illinois plates. Looks like this massive collector out in Illinois is bringing out the big guns, baby. Like I said, I'm not a connoisseur on classic or old school historic cars, but I do my best, guys. I do my best. From fuckboys, takeovers, supercars, exotic cars, to the classiest car show in the world. All right, guys, the light has gotten a little bit better. Get a closer look at the roof CTR3. Now, this place is so rich. It's so rich that you just leave your DSLR cameras on the bench right next to your champagne. Mind you, the prices here are quite absurd, but yeah, that's been sitting there for a good 30 minutes, guys. No fucks given. I like that. Gorgeous views. We've got some VIPs arriving by boat over here. All right, check that out. Quite the entrance. All right, just getting a couple groceries here at the local supermarket. Check this parking. They're actually touching. Holy shit. So messed up. Big time. We are back at Villa d'Este, and what the heck is going on over there? Let's zoom in. Oh, looks like they're transferring boats. Nice. Anyways, it is the day of the show. The weather is absolutely gorgeous. So all the cars that I showed you from yesterday's little sneak peek preview at the garage are out in force on the lawn. Now the concepts are all the way at the end there with the SP38, so we're going to take a look at that first. and then just see what happens. Here it is, guys, the SP38. We're not entirely sure what the MSRP on this is. It's rumored to be between $4 and $8 million. I'll give you a rear view, 3/4 rear view, mind you. The best angle of this car, we got the 3 slats covering up the engine bay, so the rear visibility is going to be quite poor. But I don't think anyone really cares because this thing is actually pretty damn nice. Check this out. We got the door handles and the intakes have been incorporated into doors. Now the key slot right there, it's kind of jarring, but it is what it is. And the proper wing on the rear right here, but the air scoop on the side that you usually see on the 488 GTB is completely concealed where the sheet metal folds in on itself. It's got new headlights in the front, and the daytime running lights have been incorporated into the bumper, so you got a more aggressive look. So check that out. The front clip inspired by the Sergio as well. Of course, you got the Kessel dealership name right underneath the Ferrari logo. We're around 5 miles from Lake Como, based in Switzerland, over the border here. Honestly, someone online says this sort of looks like an Evora, a Lotus Evora from the side, but I can sort of see that. But the rear is a lot better in person. I'm going to give you guys another angle right here. 3/4 rear. I'm going to try and polarize this for you. Hold on. Bam. Perfect. Sorry, there's a lot of glare happening out here. It's got the same powertrain as the 488, so 0 to 60 in like less than 3 seconds. Twin turbo V8. Man. Oh, and the interior has the Deborah on the dash there. They're gonna open it up in a quick second, so stay tuned for that, guys. But the rear right here, honestly, they did a pretty damn good job with this thing. I like it. I really do like it. And the rear wing right here just rises up from the body from either corner of the car. So lower angle right there. Bam. Looking sharp. The J50 has 690 horsepower. It's got 20 more. So basically the same speed as a 488 coupe. While the J50 is based off the 488 Spider. And we got the interior opening up right over here. Let's take a quick look here. You can see the Deborah on the dash. So, like I said, we're not really sure how much this costs, but each individual one-off Ferrari usually costs a minimum of around $4 million US. So it could be more. Could be exactly 4. We're not entirely sure. So the 3-layer red paint on the SP38 here, guys, looking mighty fine. Drawing quite the crowd. The owner is actually right over there, standing talking to some Ferrari officials as well. So there you guys have it. We got the spec sheet of the SP38 right over here. Got the engine displacement, the dimensions, and the performance. Basically that of a 488 GTB. Here's a little description as well. Boom. Manzoni is the designer of the chassis. So there you guys have it. The one of one SP38. Check out this lady's purse. There's a dog in it. Wait. You can sort of see its head right next to the SP38. Wow. In my infinite laziness, I have fucked up once again. Got the start of the SP38 right here. Wow. There it is. Alright guys, I'm not gonna mess up this time. We're gonna get the proper startup here. Here we go. The front lift is up. Nice lights, check that out. People sprinting. Nice. Just gonna casually walk over to this end. Well, and there it goes. Back into the garage. Hopefully. Whoa. Alright. Yeah. Check the comment of the SP38 right next to the 250 GTO. Yeah. Get that combo. Here we go. much better. A lot louder than the SP38.